Corded Beard and Mustache Trimmer. A man's face is his statement, and whether you're going bold look or staying subdued, this corded men's trimmer has all the basics to give you a clean, comfortable shave. Easy precision. This corded electric shaver features a stainless steel removable blade for easy cleaning and includes 3 all-purpose combs, 2 jawline combs for detail men's trimming and 1 5-position adjustable comb. No batteries, no charging. Respect the ritual, don't crack under the pressure to look good. ConairMAN has beard trimmers, home barbering kits, electric shavers and more for precision cuts and trims so you can get your look right. Innovative grooming tools, from hair and beard clippers to trimmers, shavers, epilators and home haircut kits, Conair makes high-quality grooming tools for men and women. Personal care from Conair. Our personal care line includes high-quality skincare tools, lighted mirrors, haircut kits, beard and mustache trimmers and ear/nose trimmers, ladies shavers and oral care. Conair makes personal care tools for your daily routine. Top reviews from the United States. Trim. This is a well-made trimmer. I really like that it uses a cord so you don't have to deal with batteries and charging. Mine is a couple years old and still trims great, trimming my beard once or twice a week.